As we've seen, the Crumble allows us to connect a range of external hardware which we can then control in our programs. Let's get started by controlling a light. We'll first need to connect our Crumble to the computer using a USB cable, and then connect the Crumble to our batteries using a pair of crocodile clips. Make sure you connect the positive or plus terminals together and the negative or minus terminals together, otherwise your Crumble won't receive power. We're now ready to connect our light. We're going to be controlling a light emitting diode, also known as an LED. In fact, these LEDs are actually colour changing LEDs, which are also known as sparkles. The sparkle needs to be connected to the Crumble using 3 wires. 2 wires provide the power to make the LED light up, and the third tells the sparkle what to do. Let's start by giving the sparkle some power by connecting the positive terminal on the sparkle to a positive terminal on the Crumble. In fact, we can use any positive terminal on the Crumble or even on the battery pack. It doesn't matter, so we'll just use the one that is most convenient. The same is true for the negative terminal, so let's connect that too. We do, however, need to make sure that the sparkle is the correct way round. We want the power to flow into the sparkle, so we need the arrows to be pointing away from the incoming wires. Okay, we're now ready to connect the control wire. This must be connected to the D or digital terminal on the Crumble. We'll connect that with a new crocodile clip wire, connecting the other end to the sparkle's D terminal. Right, we're now ready to add some code. You'll immediately feel confident coding the Crumble, as we'll be using Scratch-style drag-and-drop programming. Let's start by dragging a program start block into place. All programs must start with one of these. We can then drag and drop a Set All Sparkles to red block, making sure it connects to the block above, snapping into place. Excellent! Let's test this out by pressing the play button here. This does 2 things. It transfers our code to the Crumble, and it also tells the program to start running. Fantastic! As you can see, the sparkle is lit up. It's important you don't stare directly at this light, especially not for a prolonged amount of time, as it can be incredibly bright. In fact, you may wish to place something over the top to reduce its brightness a little, especially as you test new projects. This could be a sheet of paper, or a piece of translucent plastic, for example. Changing the colour of the sparkle is easy. Just click on the existing colour and choose a new colour from the window that pops up. Yours may look slightly differently to mine, but it will work in exactly the same way. Once a new colour has been chosen, click the play button again to send the new code and make it run. As well as selecting colours from the menu, we can also use numbers to mix different amounts of red, green and blue. Different amounts of these 3 colours allow us to produce any colour imaginable. It's no different to mixing paint. Let's remove our Set All Sparkles block by dragging it from the program and dropping it onto the programming blocks area here. Then, from our Sparkles menu, we'll drag and drop this programming block into place. As you can see, to begin with, this is mixing 0 red, 0 green and 0 blue. Well, this isn't going to give us any colour at all. So to add some colour, all we have to do is click on a number and enter a value. Let's try 47 green. To run it, we'll press the play button here. Fantastic! Why not experiment with different values to see what different colours you can make? You will find that there is a maximum value you can enter, which gives you a certain number of combinations for that colour. There's something special about this number from a maths point of view. See if you can work out what it is.